back to my channel. So in this video I am going to be testing out the Vital Baby electric breast pump. So with the manual, just taking it out from its box, you actually have two manuals. You've got one for the manual pump and one for the electric pump. It's quite short, quick read. This one's a little bit longer. The electric pump's a little bit longer, as you would expect. So that's the manual and that's the electric. So I've got the Vital Baby pump right here. And the first thing I want to say about this pump is that it has rechargeable batteries. Okay, so that means I can turn it on. And you can see there that it is working without it being plugged in to anything. You've got to charge it for at least 15 minutes before it starts working. Okay, otherwise you're going to think that it's not rechargeable, but it actually is. You just need to charge it for 15 minutes first. So firstly, I'm going to go through all the buttons. I'm going to lift that closer so you can see. So you can see right there that it tells you press and hold for 2 seconds to turn on. So you've got to press this and hold it for 2 seconds. So it's a touch screen, but you've got to hold it for long enough for it to come on. And then you just press it once to switch it off. So it's pretty straightforward. You can see here, this shows you the suction. This here shows you the time. So it does have a timer, how many minutes you've been pumping for. And this here shows you what mode you're in, whether you're in expression mode or you're in stimulation mode. And this is to increase or decrease the suction. And this here is to change the mode. Okay, so this is this display screen here, and this is the control buttons here. And there's just 4 control buttons. So very, very easy to use and a very small learning curve. Okay, so you can definitely figure out how to use this very quickly. So if I pull this off, so this is that flap that tells you all the display screen. You can see there that it's just 4 buttons like I mentioned. So let's try that. So double press for 2 seconds. So you can see here that suction level is suction 1. So you can only control the suction on this pump. Okay, the cycle speed will just automatically change as the suction level changes. So to increase the suction level, you press the plus. You can see the suction is going up. And right now we are currently on stimulation mode. So this triangle here shows that we are on stimulation mode. If I decrease the suction, we're back to number 1. Okay, so we've used all 3 buttons here. So now this 4th button is to change this mode from stimulation to expression. So if I press that, you can see that that's changed right there. Okay, so now it's showing that it is on expression mode. So you can see now that the timer has changed to 1 minute. And then just finally at the top there is the battery. So you can see right now the battery's full. It's got 3 bars and that's it. I'm going to change it back to stimulation and let's see how many levels it goes up to. So it goes up to 9 levels. So this is how that sounds on level 9. And this is how that sounds on level 1. Okay, now expression. That's how that sounds on level 1. And it also has 9 levels. And that's how that sounds on level 9. And that's it.